In this video, I discuss the what is the scavenging, why it is required in a two-stroke engine, and why better scavenging is necessary for the engine. And if the scavenging is not proper, then what happen to the engine? So first we understand the definition of scavenging. Means what is the scavenging? The cleaning or swapping out of the exhaust gas from the combustion chamber of the cylinder is termed as the scavenging. Means it is the process in which exhaust gas from the combustion chamber is removed. Okay, they are not removed themselves, they are removed by using the fresh charge. That is called as the scavenging. So another definition is scavenging is process of removing the exhaust from the engine cylinders by using the fresh charge. It is known as the scavenging process. Why it is required in two-stroke engine or scavenging system for two-stroke engines? So we already know that in a four-stroke engine, for a removal of exhaust gas, there is a separate exhaust stroke is there. So in a four-stroke engine, that is a different suction stroke is there. Okay, second stroke is the compressions, then the combustions, and the exhaust means combustion means power stroke. Okay, so they are separately takes place. Okay, but in a four-stroke engines, in a two-stroke engines, there is a no separate exhaust stroke is there. Okay, so you already know the working of the two-stroke engine. So there is a no separate stroke for each process. So in a two-stroke engine, special care is required for removing exhaust gas from engine cylinders. So scavenging is also occur in a four-stroke engine, but due to the separate process, they are perfectly removed. They are not mixed with the fresh charge. Okay, but in a two-stroke engines, very short time interval is available for removing the exhaust from the cylinder. Why very short time is available? So we know that in a four-stroke, that is a complete 2 revolution is that means that is a 720-degree revolution for 4 cycles. For a 4 process. But in a two-stroke engine, we have only 360-degree rotations for a 1 cycles. So in a two-stroke engine, very short time interval is available for removing the exhaust from the cylinders, and also there is a possibility of exhaust remaining inside the cylinder and mix with the fresh charge. Therefore, fresh charge is dilute. So in a two-stroke engine, the fresh charge is not exhaust gases are not completely removed. Okay, and we know that the two processes takes place simultaneously. That we understand later on by using the valve timing diagram. That the exhaust valve and transport port both are open for the same times. Okay, so when the exhaust is going on, the fresh charge is also coming inside the cylinders. Okay, so some quantity of the fresh charge is mixed with the exhaust gas. Okay, so that dilute the fresh charge. This is known as the poor scavenging. Means what is the poor scavenging? The exhaust gas are not completely removed, they are mixed with the fresh charge. Okay, then they dilute the capacity of the fresh charge. That is known as the poor scavenging process. Also, as a suction and exhaust takes place simultaneously, that I already explained. Now before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe the channels for watching the more video related to basic of mechanical engineering as well as the IC engines and another subject of mechanical engineering. I request to visit the playlist for IC engine subject. Various link is provided in this descriptions. Now some of the fresh charge goes out through the exhaust port without combustion, which will lead to the fresh charge loss and increase the emission. Means here you see this valve timing diagram. Okay, so it is more clear from the figure of port timing diagrams. Okay, in two-stroke the port is used, so it is called as the port timing diagrams. Okay, so here you see that is a EPO, means exhaust port is open. Here you see it is a transport port is open. Okay, and here TPC transport port is closed and the EPC means exhaust port is closed. Okay, so here we see that for a 70-degree rotations of the crankshaft, both the exhaust port as well as the transport ports are open. Means inside the cylinder, the burn gases is going outside as well as the fresh charge is also coming if the SI engines, and only the fresh air is coming if it is the CI engines. Okay, so that is a possibility is that when the exhaust is going outside, so with the exhaust some quantity of the fresh charge is also going outside without the combustions. The overlapping of the inlet and exhaust ports by the angle theta 1. Here you see this is the theta 1, it is the 70 degree. Okay, this is a result in a loss of fresh charge and dilution of the charge by exhaust. In order to avoid this, scavenging is necessary. In idle scavenging process, the fresh mixer in SI engine or a fresh air in the CI engine shall push the residual exhaust gases without mixings and exchanging the heat. This process is continue until all the residual exhaust gases are replaced with the fresh mixture of that. So in idle scavenging process, what we consider, there is a no dilution of the fresh charge is there and complete exhaust gas removal is there. Okay, that is called as the idle scavenging. But it is practically not possible. This type of idle scavenging is not possible. However, better scavenging means, earlier we studied that is a poor scavenging. Poor scavenging means that is a dilution of the fresh gas is there and sometimes the fresh charge is also going with this burn gases. That is called as the poor. Now here we understand what is the better scavenging. Better scavenging means maximum amount of exhaust gases removed from the cylinders, then it is called as the better scavengings. The actual scavenging process is neither one perfect scavenging nor a perfect mixing. It probably consists partially of perfect scavenging, mixing and the short circuiting. So it is a partially scavenging, it is partially mixing and a partially short circulating. Means incoming air or a charge go in or out of the cylinder without displacing exhaust gases. Next, we understand why the better scavenging is necessary for the engines. So following difficulty arise due to the poor scavenging in the IC engines. First, incomplete combustion due to the fresh charge dilutions result in higher exhaust emissions and the loss of power. Means when the exhaust fuels are directly going without combustion to the atmosphere, so emission of the hydrocarbon is increased. Okay, and when the combustion is not takes place properly, that is a loss of power. Means power is not produced according to the capacity of the engine. Second point, fresh charge loss due to short circuiting of the transfer port and exhaust port, as both will remain open during the scavenging period for about 70% of the petrol engines. Means during the 70 degree of the crankshafts, both the valves are open. Both the ports are open. So fresh charge is go with the exhaust charge without the combustions. Low thermal efficiency because of mixer dilutions and the fresh charge loss. So we know that the some quantity of the fuels are going without combustions, then the thermal efficiency is reduced. Sometimes the exhaust gas, fresh charge is not removed with exhaust gas, then they are mixed with the exhaust gas. Fresh charge is mixed with exhaust gas. So that is a mixer is dilute, capacity of the petrol is dilute. So due to that the low thermal efficiency is achieved. Increase wear of pistons and cylinder liners due to contamination of lubricating oils, which reduce the quality of lubrications oil. Higher temperatures and the greater heat stress on the cylinder wall due to high rate of wears. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn, then like the video, subscribe the channels and share with your friend.